Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Budapest, Hungary, and I'm on Váci Street, or Váci Utca. And so I'm going to walk the whole thing, and I'm at the very top of it now. Let me turn this camera around. I got my hat on because it's kind of rainy. I woke to snow. Anyway, let's turn the camera around and I can show you where we're at. So Váci Street pretty much ends right here at the Great Hall Market, and that's that building right there. So it just kind of ends here, and that's where the bridge is and everything else. And there's a Starbucks, but this is Váci Street, and so we're gonna walk the whole thing. And I picked today for a few reasons. So first of all, let's talk about the street first, and then we'll talk about the reasons. So Váci Street is obviously the main tourist street. It's all walking. It's all, they don't really let cars on here unless they're doing construction or something. But, so let's name the three main things that Váci Street is about. Obviously, I would say the first one is tourism. Another one is Thai massages. I mean, it just seems like pretty much, I mean, every little while you'll see a Thai massage, which is kind of interesting. And then the other thing is funnel cakes and candy. So tourism stuff, get knickknacks, you know, those types of things. Thai massages, so like this kind of stuff. Original Thai massage, another Thai massage. I mean, it's just, it's like it's rampant. And, you know, right next door to my room, there's one. Inside the building I'm in, there's one. And so it is just, I guess they have a lot of need for Thai massages. I guess if you walk every day, I guess you'd probably want a Thai massage. And so they hit me up all the time, and they'll give me a shoulder, head, and back massage for 10,000 huff, which is about, I don't know what, I don't even know what that, 369, so 10, 20 bucks maybe, I don't know, I'll have to figure it out. And then, so there's the massage places, but then there's tourist shops, tons of tourist shops, and then here's the chimney cake, funnel cake, and then more tourist shops. And so there's a funnel cake store right there. There's another one right here. You know, on top of that, I mean, it's not just that. I mean, they have, you know, hotels and restaurants and all sorts of different things. But predominantly, to me, what sticks out is the Thai massage and the funnel cake and candy shops and the tourist stuff, which is, you know, it's the walking street. It's pretty standard, I think. But we're going to walk this whole street. So this is going to be a little bit of a long video because I wanted to show you too how long this road is, or this street, this walking path, walking tour path. So maybe this video should be called the tour of Váci Street, Váci Utca. And this way you'll get to see it and know exactly what you're looking at. So one end, again, is the Great Market Hall, and the other end goes all the way down to the chain bridge. So one bridge to another bridge. And you'll get to see all of it right here. So anyway, so let's talk about snow. So I woke up this morning and it was snowing out my window. So it's like 36 degrees right now. The snow has stopped and it stopped raining. I have my hat on because it was still kind of sprinkling. I even put on a smart wool undershirt just to help stay warm. And you know what I'm finding? It itches. It's smart wool. It's supposed to be comfortable, but it certainly is itchy. Here's another funnel cake. So the funnel cake is here. The candy stop is here, and there's a lot of these little candy shops. You'll see. You know, maybe we keep track of how many of each we find. Maybe I'm totally wrong. Maybe there's more restaurants and cafes than funnel cakes and Thai massages. But we'll see. And it looks like they're doing the road here too. They're redoing all the walkway, which is really nice. And you can see how nice this looks. And that's nice, they really take care of it, you know what I mean? I mean, this is beautiful. Certainly a clean road, more tourist shops. I've been into a couple of them and they all seem to carry about the same thing. Pardon me. Star souvenirs, more souvenirs. So it's souvenir, Thai massage. So Thai massage over there, souvenir over here, and Thai massage over here. And more tourist stuff. You know, you'd expect the tourist stuff. I guess I never thought that I'd see so many Thai massage places. But it's still a beautiful street. I love it. And, you know, I decided on today, so that's what I was going to tell you, is that today, it's Monday. So I was thinking about going over to a few museums because it was cold and rainy and snowy, right? I would say, I'm going to hazard a guess, 90%, 95% of most museums are closed. And then there's a bunch of other things that are closed as well. So there's really, you know, Mondays are not your day to see Budapest. It is a day to see nice Porsche 911s and more ceramic brakes. So maybe I was wrong. It's bridge to bridge to bridge. So there's the bridge over by the marketplace. Then there's this bridge, which gets you on top of the mountain over there, which is where the fort is on top of the hill. And then this will walk all the way down to the chain bridge. So we'll see how far this goes. So I guess crossing at your own risk. I didn't want to wait. Sorry. So you cross the road and you get to another section, and it's all the same street, Váci Street. It's all tourist walking stuff. And it's beautiful. And the buildings are old and nice. So Saturday, this place was crazy. There were groups of people out running around and doing all sorts of stuff, and you know, it was pretty busy place. Unique souvenirs here, and more souvenirs here. And more Thai massages, and a KFC. And I've looked at the food prices here. It's expensive. It's probably $10 for a sandwich, 10 American dollars. By the time you do all the math, you've already heard my math. It's already a problem. So anyway, I looked at some of them and I just know that that's not where I want to eat at. And my landlord was right. Don't eat on this street. And here's another chimney cake, funnel cake, and Adidas and shopping passage. And they're doing lots of construction too. So this is a Hotel Mercure. This is kind of close to my room. But it's a nice hotel. They have parking underneath, but you have to enter from the other side. But it's nice. And they're building something here on this corner. And there's a crane that circles around. I always try not to walk under cranes if I can avoid it. Morning. An ice bar. Thanks, man. Say hi. Arizona.
We actually have the same shop.
Okay. Dead sea salt he's trying to sell. I don't think I need that much. And more souvenirs. And more candy. The Pirate Sweet Shop. And more massage. Thai massage. And more Thai massage. And I've checked now a few Burger Kings, and I'll post another one. Oh, there's another candy shop, another tourist shop, more Thai massages. Anyway, I checked Burger King, a couple of them now, a few of them, and they all have takeaways. So now I'm going to go check on McDonald's and a KFC to see if they have takeaway charges too. There's another Thai massage, more souvenir places. More souvenir places. And lots of shopping, tons of shopping. H&M and what's that other place over there? There was another place, Hard Rock Cafe. So lots of famous places and shopping and that kind of stuff. Lots of tourists, souvenir stuff. Souvenir, souvenir, souvenir. And this street gets to the center section, and I think this is the central section right here, because it's a huge square. Borska, Vapino, and what's that expensive hotel? Ritz-Carlton is down there on the corner. Tons of stuff. Pull and Bear, I don't have any idea what that is. And is Váci Street this one, or is it that one? I guess I'm gonna have to find out for sure. So we'll go over here and look. It might be that one. I go down this one fairly regularly because it gets you right to the train bridge. Huge square. So let me pan this square here, and this is again Váci Street, Váci Street. Thai massages. As soon as I get to this corner, it'll say either Váci Street or I'll have to go over one street. I think it is one street over, but we'll see. So it bends right here at this main square, I think. What does this one say? Because that doesn't say Váci Street, does it? So you get a choice when you get to this spot. You can do Dorota, Tortia, or you can stay on Váci. But we want to stay on Váci. And it is a beautiful area. Yeah, it looks like the sun might come out. And now I'm probably overdressed for heat. And there's lots of these food people that deliver food for you. Okay, so if you want to stay on Váci Street, you need to get to this. Is this? Nope, this isn't Váci Street either. All right, where'd my Váci Street go? It just didn't end here, did it? No way. All right, I'll be right back, everybody, just to make sure I'm giving you the right information. Be right back. Okay, everybody, this is where it looks like Váci Street ends. So it starts at one spot, which is the market spot, and then it ends at this big, huge square. So that's Váci Street. And I don't know why I picked it up earlier. I'm gonna go check some other things. Okay, thanks for coming along with me, everybody. Váci Street, bye.